Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the orientation of your pages on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which you can start working on various different projects. Now, if you wish to define your size, then you can first of all start by choosing the appropriate project type to start with. So this means that if you are creating an Instagram story or post, then you can choose this option in order to automatically start with the appropriate size for these projects. However, if you are within a project and you wish to change the size midway, then you will see a resize button at the top section, which you can click on, and you will see various different options to choose from. And once you choose it, you will be able to resize. However, this will require that you have a premium subscription. So if you wish to resize your project, the other option that you have is to click on the add button to add a new page. You will now see the same size as well as a custom size option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be able to define the size of your new page manually. After entering the size, click on the add page button, and now your scene will be changed into a new size within this new scene. And before you delete the old one, make sure that you copy and paste all of your elements from this page into the new one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the size or orientation of your pages on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.